Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lavade. Today is 13th of August 2022 and the topic for the today's video is difference between var and jar file. So this is my first or original video in this particular topic. Now we will see what are the jar files. So simply jar or Java archive is a package file format. Jar files have the .jar extension and may contain libraries, resources and metadata files. Essentially, it's a zip file containing the compressed version of .class files and resources of compiled Java libraries and applications. A jar file is a file that contains all the components to make a self-contained executable Java application. Moreover, a jar file includes compiled Java source code, manifest file, XML-based configuration data, JSON-based data files, images, and audio. It is an aggregation of all these files into single compressed file. So compressing all the files helps to reduce the size of the application. Furthermore, it makes it easier to move the jar file over the network between the different platforms. So the every JDK includes a jar utility to support the jar file, and it allows creating new jar files with a manifest file and extracting all the content of a jar file onto the file system. Now we will see what are the var files. So the var stand for web application archive or web application resource. So these archive files have the .var extension and are used to package web application that we can deploy on any servlet JSP container. So var file contains files related to a web project. It contains servlet, JSP, XML, HTML, CSS and JavaScript files, and that can be deployed on any servlet or JSP container. So the jar tool of JDK helps to create a var file. So these files are inside the web INF folder of the project. A var file combines all the files into a single unit. Therefore, it takes a minimum amount of time to transfer a file from client to the server. So there are the two methods to deploy a var file by using the server control panel or by manually having the var file in a specific folder of the server. So if the programmer wants to deploy a var file in a server such as Apache Tomcat manually, he can go to the web apps directory of Tomcat and paste the var file in that directory. And if not, when running the web project, the server extracts the var file internally. Now we will see the difference between the jar and var files. So on the basis of definition, a jar file is a file with Java classes, associated metadata and resources such as text, images aggregated into one file. And a var file is a file that is used to distribute a collection of jar files, JSP servlet, XML file, static web pages like HTML and other resources that constitute a web application. Thus, this explains the main difference between jar and var file. Now, on the basis of long form, jar file stand for Java archive, whereas var file stand for web application resource or web application archive. Now, on the basis of file extension, the jar file has the .jar file extension, while a var file has the .var file extension. On the basis of consist of, so jar file include compiled Java source code, manifest file, XML based configuration data, JSON based data, files, images, and audio. And in contrast, the var file contains servlet, JSP, XML, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. And this is another difference between jar and var files. Now, on the basis of usage, so their usage attributes to another difference between jar and var file. So that is a jar file allows Java runtime environment, that is JRE, to deploy an entire application including the classes and the associated resources in a single request. And on the other hand, a var file allows testing and deploying a web application easily. Now we will see the conclusion. So the main difference between jar and var file is their content. The jar files are the files that have Java classes file, associated metadata and resources aggregated into single file to execute a Java application. And whereas the var files are the files that contain servlet, JSP, HTML, JavaScript and other files necessary for developing the web application. So this is all about the difference between jar and var files. Thank you.